Hello students, today's video lecture is based on class 11th mathematics and in exercise 3.3 we will start with question number 14 and question number 14 is given that sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x that equal to we have to prove 4 cos square x into sin 4x. Now we will choose left hand side, that is sin 2x plus sin 6x plus 2 sin 4x. We are arranging here this statement because sin 2x is already written. Sin 6x is the last statement, so we will write here because we want to put the formula of sin A plus sin B. So we are written as it is. Now we know that sin A plus sin B, formula of this, that is 2 sin A plus B divided by 2 into cos A minus B divided by 2. So in place of this we will put this formula. So now left hand side equals to, in place of sin 2x plus sin 6x we can use this formula. So it will be 2 sin A plus B, that is 2x plus 6x, 2x plus 6x divided by 2 into cos, here will be A minus B, that is 2x minus 6x divided by 2, and close this bracket and plus last term is 2 sin 4x, 2 sin 4x. Now it will be 2 sin 2x plus 6x, that is 8x, and divided by 2, that will be 4x, sin 4x into, here will be cos 2x minus 6x divided by 2. So write here cos, that will be minus 4x, and divided by 2, that will be minus 2x, and plus this is the 2 sin 4x. Now we know that there is the no meaning of this sign, because if there is written that cos minus x that is equal to cos x. So for the trigonometric function cos, the angle if there is given negative, that's equal to positive. So we will use this and write here 2 sin 4x into cos 2x and plus 2 sin 4x. If we are removing here bracket this, then we can write this form. Now if we take common as 2 sin 4x, then in bracket there will be cos 2x and here will be plus 1. Now cos 2x, there is the formula 2 cos square x minus 1. So 2 sin 4x in the bracket, in place of cos 2x we can write here 2 cos square x minus 1, and already here is the plus 1, so write plus 1 and this will be cancelled. Now the final answer is 2 sin 4x, and here is the also into 2 cos square x, and this 2 and this 2 will be multiplied together and it will become 4, and there is the cos square x into sin 4x. That is the right hand side of this question. Now according to this question and by using the formula of sin A plus sin B, we can solve the another question. Okay, so now we will take our next question, that is question number 15. This is the proven statement question, because we have to prove both separately, left hand side and right hand side. Now question number 15 is cot 4x in bracket sin 5x plus sin 3x, that's equal to cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x. We will solve this question separately, right hand side and this is the left hand side. So first we will take left hand side, that is called 4x into sin 5x plus sin 3x. We know the formula of sin a plus b. So right here sin a plus sin b, that's equal to 2 sin a plus b divided by 2 into cos a minus b divided by 2. We can use this formula in place of sin 5x plus sin 3x. So left hand side equals to cot 4x into, in place of this we can write 2 sin a plus b, that is 5x plus 3x divided by 2 into, there is a cos, so write cos and a minus b, 5 minus 3x, so write 5x minus 3x divided by 2. So here will be, in place of cot 4x we can write here cos 4x upon sin 4x, and here is the 2 sin 5x plus 3x, that is 8x, and divided by 2, that will be 4x, into, here is the cos 5x minus 3x, that's equal to 2x and divided by 2, so here will be only cos x. Now sin 4x will be cancelled, here will be 2 cos x into cos 4x, because in this bracket 2 cos x and outside the bracket is cos 4x, so it will be 2 cos x into cos 4x. Now we will take right hand side. Right hand side of this question is cot x and in the bracket sin 5x minus sin 3x. This is the formula of sin a minus sin b. So for the formula of sin a minus sin b, we can write here 2 cos a plus b divided by 2 into sin a minus b divided by 2. Okay, this is the formula. Now we can use this formula, then right hand side will be, that's equal to cot x, in this bracket we can use this formula, that will be 2 cos a plus b, that is 5x plus 3x. So write here 5x plus 3x divided by 2 into sin a minus b, 5x minus 3x. So write here 5x minus 3x divided by 2. Now cot x can be written as cos x divided by sin x, and in the bracket 2 cos 5x plus 3x, that is 8x, and divided by 2, then it will become 4x, into, there is the sin, so write sin 5x minus 3x, that is 2x, and divided by 2, that will be sin x. So write here simply sin x, and this sin x can be cancelled, and outside the bracket there is cos and there is a 2 cos 4x. So write here 2 cos x into cos 4x. That is the left hand side. When we solve the left hand side, the answer is 2 cos x into 4x, and already when we solve the right hand side, then also the answer is 2 cos x into 4x. So we can say here left hand side of this question, that is right hand side. So this is the proof of the question number 15. We will meet in next video lecture. Thank you.